Hey guys, Jason Geiman here with another cool tip or trick and to help you grow your business. Today I am going to show you this amazing tool right here. Works awesome with a little 4-foot pole which turns into 8 and how it works. But before that, I just wanted to go and tell you, don't forget, I'm trying to get to 5,000. Please help me. Please subscribe to my channel so I can get to 10,000. But first, 5,000 is my goal. I'm about 150 away from it, so please help me. Alright, so you can see down this gutter, it was clogged here. I went ahead and fixed this here. Normally I don't say to do it on the roof, but the ladder I had, this is getting pretty bad and full. But I want to show you my tool here so you can stretch it out here. And we can go way down here like this. And you can do this on the ladder and it works awesome. So you pull all the debris to there, you can flip it over, you can push it, shove it where you can get it, and push it again. There's my youngest down there, my oldest here. And then we can pull it on through. You can see how awesome this is working. And I can go again and push it again and get rid of it. So this thing is amazing. It works awesome, and you should get you one. I got about $40 into this right here, $45, but I can do 16 feet, 8 feet one way, 8 feet the other way, and I only have to move the ladder half as much. So, unless you like moving the ladder a lot, this is an amazing tool. It works great. I'll be able to do this in no time. Even if up here on the roof, I can even stand up and do it and be safer than trying to reach over. But hope this helps you out. Please subscribe, get me to 5,000. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them. Thanks, bye.